How to see repost on TikTok. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can see the videos you have reposted on your TikTok account. Now if you open up the TikTok app, you'll get an interface like this. Now here what you want to do is tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen, and here you'll find the repost icon on your profile along with the profile grid icon and private videos icon. You can see the two arrows right here on the screen. Now that is the repost option, and here you can see your reposted videos. Now how do you repost them? First is head to your home, and here you can see videos. Now if you tap on the share option here, you'll find the repost option at the top. So if you tap on repost, your videos will be reposted, and to view them you can head into your profile, and on the repost option you'll be able to repost them. And if you tap on it and tap on the share option again, you'll get the option to remove the post, and if you tap on remove post, then it will get removed from your repost. And yes, so this way you can view or see your repost on TikTok. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.